Hey everybody, Yates here with RentCheck. I wanted to spend a couple minutes today talking about the RentCheck Imports Hub. We get it. Managing rental inspections as a property manager can be a pain, especially when you have to manually update unit and resident level data across multiple systems. Now for our users with AppFolio, Rentvine, Rent Manager, we have a full integration built out. But specifically for our Buildium and Propertyware users, or if you're using a separate property management software I didn't list, our Imports Hub is a great way to do three things. One, easily upload unit and resident data, no manual workarounds. Two, keep everything in sync with built-in checks for accuracy and consistency. And three, save time by managing lease details, resident status, and move-in and move-out dates all in one place. I'm going to show you how that works here real quick. You can see I'm here on our RentCheck dashboard. I'll simply go to my account and then select imports. This will bring you to the RentCheck Imports Hub. Click on Unit Import, then I can select my property management system. We'll go with Buildium here. If you need any help setting up the data or pulling it from Buildium, we've got some handy import guides that you can reference as well to ensure that you can pull that data easily out of Buildium. Once you have that, we'll simply select Next, and that will pull up just a drag and drop where we can pull in that Excel or CSV file, drop it in here. While the file is extracting, it'll take a couple seconds here. Once that's done, we can submit, job completed, and then you'll start to see your units come in. As soon as everything is set, you can click Continue, and we'll see all of our units populate. This is a great way to import your data from the very beginning of using RentCheck, but also to keep it up to date over time. And we'd love to chat more with you about it. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're here to chat. So if you use Buildium or Propertyware and are curious about RentCheck and even more curious about how you can easily keep your data up to date with minimum back and forth, multiple databases, we'd love to set some time with you to chat through it. So just reach out. Again, the Imports Hub RentCheck is now live for all users, making it easy to upload property and resident level data. Thanks, y'all.